I've come to realize that many publishers fail because they make certain common mistakes. In this video, I'll not only point out those pitfalls, but also guide you step by step on how to avoid them and rise to the top 1%. If you're venturing into low-content niches such as notebooks or journals, you need a strategy that balances quantity and quality. Spamming tons of mediocre books isn't effective. Instead, aim to publish a reasonable number of books, ensuring each one is of high quality. Make the title text bold, eye-catching, and larger. It should grab attention instantly. Additionally, work on garnering more than just 2 reviews, as reviews play a crucial role in sales. You're likely not running ads or marketing this book effectively, which is another issue. Simply uploading and hoping for sales won't cut it. The core message to boost and actually get sales is focus on clarity, quality, and professional presentation. Clear titles, compelling subtitles, and simplified covers will significantly enhance a book's marketability. Pair these with a strategic approach to reviews and marketing, and the results will start to show. Let me break down my thoughts and advice for improving common Amazon KDP books in a practical and actionable way. Children's books. Always produce clear titles and better covers. One main issue with children's books is that the title is usually too vague. If they don't know what a book is about just by glancing at the title, they won't invest any time reading the description. Customers on Amazon have countless options and scroll quickly. If another book has a clear, engaging title that tells them exactly what they're getting, they'll choose that over yours every time. Your title must explicitly convey the theme or benefit of the book. For example, a title like Activity Book for First Graders is straightforward, clear, and engaging. It's a perfect example of how to quickly communicate the essence of the book. While it's a children's book and has a softer aesthetic, that doesn't mean the title text can't stand out. Use bold, clear fonts and ensure your title is easy to read even in thumbnail view. Customers need instant clarity and visual appeal when they see your book. No matter how polished your book is, whether you improve the title, cover, or even garner reviews, it won't sell if there isn't a market for it. This highlights the importance of validating your book idea before investing time and resources into creating it. Research potential topics to ensure they are profitable and in demand. This is a critical first step in successful publishing and one I emphasize repeatedly. Here are some key takeaways. Across all these examples, the recurring issues boil down to clarity, presentation, and market demand. Here's what you can do to improve. Titles must be clear. Always ensure your title communicates the book's theme, audience, and benefit. Avoid vagueness or trying to be overly creative at the cost of clarity. Subtitles are your ally. Use subtitles to add more context and emphasize the book's value proposition. They're especially useful for nonfiction and children's books. Covers matter. Invest in professional designs that grab attention, convey the book's essence, and look polished. A good cover can significantly impact sales. Validate your ideas. Before you write, research whether there's an audience for your topic. Check competition, search demand, and existing sales trends to ensure profitability. Get reviews. Reviews are crucial for credibility. Start with friends, family, or advanced reader copies to build a solid foundation. Aim for at least 10 to 20 reviews to establish trust. By addressing these core areas, you can transform underperforming books into competitive titles in the marketplace. Puzzle books and cookbooks. These profit well, but also aim to produce standout cover designs. Puzzle and cookbooks are great Amazon KDP products to get into. To increase sales for your puzzle book, the first step is getting more reviews. You may need enough to build trust and catch the attention of potential buyers. Reviews are critical on platforms like Amazon. Without them, customers are hesitant to make a purchase. Watch review-related resources or implement strategies to encourage more honest reviews from readers. Make sure your cover design is solid. It looks professional and aligns well with the genre. Unfortunately, the lack of reviews is a major roadblock. Zero reviews make it difficult for customers to trust your product, even if it looks great. Focus on getting your first batch of reviews through advanced reader copies, friends, or family. Another issue is your pricing. Make sure your paperback is not priced much higher than similar books, which is off-putting for buyers, especially without reviews. Consider lowering your price initially to attract more buyers and build momentum. Once you've gained traction and established credibility, you can adjust the price upwards. General advice for all books: reviews are critical. Reviews build trust. Aim to get at least 10 to 20 reviews early on to establish credibility. Titles should be clear. Avoid overly creative titles that sacrifice clarity or keyword optimization. Stick to what your audience is searching for and be explicit about the book's value. Invest in better covers. A professional-looking cover makes a huge difference in how your book is perceived. Hire a designer to refine your ideas and create something that stands out on Amazon. Validate ideas before writing. For niche topics, research demand before investing time and money. Use tools like Amazon Search or competitor analysis to gauge interest. Pricing matters. Avoid overpricing unless you have strong reviews and a unique value proposition. Competitive pricing can help you gain traction initially. Preparing a manuscript is a vital step in publishing a book. It involves several key tasks. Editing and proofreading. Authors should refine their work using tools like Grammarly or by seeking feedback from others to ensure the manuscript is polished and error-free. Formatting. Following Amazon's formatting guidelines is essential to make the book look professional across various devices. Designing the cover. A compelling cover that reflects the book's essence is critical. Authors can create it themselves or hire a professional designer for a more polished result. Expanding beyond KDP. While Amazon was my main platform, I decided to explore other opportunities. Other platforms. I began publishing on Apple iBooks and Kobo to reach new readers. Print-on-demand services. Tools like Lulu and Ingram Spark helped me expand the reach of my paperback versions. Marketing. Outside Amazon. Social media, book bloggers, and author events played a big role in growing my audience. Closing thoughts. By focusing on these improvements, especially clarifying titles, upgrading covers, and securing more reviews, you'll be well on your way to increasing sales. If you implement these changes, I'd love to hear how they work out for you. Keep refining your process, and success will follow. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on Amazon KDP. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.